Alright, Keegan here, traveling combo welder, and I'm going to give you the 5 things that you should expect on day 1 at the new construction site. Okay, the first thing to expect is it's going to be pretty hectic when you get to the plant, because all the other hands and all the other welders and fitters and boilermakers and everybody else is going to be trying to get there pretty early as well. So the parking lot's going to be crowded, the badging office is going to be crowded, and the gates going in is going to be crowded. So just expect the first 2 days are going to be pretty wild, like with traffic. So that's the first thing. Okay, the second thing to expect is on the first day that you are on the new construction site, either welding or whatever, is that it's going to be pretty slow. There's not going to be a lot happening. You're really not going to have a crew yet, or you might be finding out about your crew, and it's just going to be kind of like a standstill because the foremans and superintendents are trying to figure out, you know, who hired in with who and who's on whose crew and whatnot. So they're trying to figure out how to get it set up and run the best for the turnaround. So the second thing is you're probably not going to be welding the first day on the job. Third thing is try to get your job box in there. Whatever tools you have, get them in there. I just take, on my first day, I take a little bag. That way, if they do want me to weld, I can weld, and I'm not like the other welders who have to wait and go get their job boxes. So that kind of makes you look a little bit better if you already have your tools with you. So bring your tools in the first day. But if you're not able to do that, then make sure you get your job box with all your tools the first day. You don't want to have to be waiting the third or fourth day when they're wanting you to weld something, okay? The fourth thing to expect on the first day on the job site is nobody's going to respect you or care about you because they don't know how good you work or how good you weld, okay? That's just how it goes in the industry. No one gives a crap about who you are or, you know, anything until you start welding and show them that you're a good welder, or showing them that you're a good hand and you help out people and you just be a team player, okay? So fourth thing is no one's really going to care who you are. So, and the fifth thing to expect on the first day on the job is they're going to put you with the crew. They're going to put you with a group of people and make sure you meet all of them and get their names down and just be ready to do something, you know, be attentive, and just be ready to work, you know what I mean? Don't be kind of slouching around and just trying to hide the first day on the job. You know, make sure that you're showing them incentive and that you're ready to work and do the turnaround and get it over with. So that's my 5 things that I would say you would most expect on the first day on a job as a welder. So hopefully that helps you guys. I'm trying to pump out some more content to help people that are getting into the industry. So stay tuned. I got some more stuff coming out.